What's up, guys? Look what I got, the Inspire. And what I want to do is I want to check these batteries for a little bit before I have to pack this thing up because I'm moving. So I want to show you. The Inspire actually has two kinds of batteries. It has the TB48 and the TB47. And the 48 is a little bit bigger. Has a little bit more milliamp hours to it. The 47 is rated at 4,500 and the 48 is rated at 5,700. But I want to run them both a little bit just to burn them off there and get this thing flying around a little bit. It's been about a year since I've flown it. So I just want to fly it around a little bit. I don't think I need to do any videoing or anything like that. I'm thinking you can fly this without the app like all the other ones. I'm pretty sure you can. But we'll see, right? We'll see. And the battery gauge, of course, is in the top. Now, it probably could use a compass calibration. If I turned on the app, I'm sure that would come up. But I'll be able to tell as soon as I get it taken off. If it starts toilet bowling and everything, I'll bring it down and do all that good stuff, right? Oh, isn't it magnificent? This is the toy. I'm never getting rid of this thing. I don't care if they ban DJI or not. You know, guys, I come out here all the time and test these drones to see if you can fly them without the app. So, you know, it's good to know that it's good to know that you can do that, you know, to fly these things without the app. It's a good thing to know. Because if they ever wind up doing what they're going to do, you may only be able to fly them without the app. The app may disable these drones after a while. What I think is coming up. See, what they're telling you they're doing and what they're going to do. Oh yeah, let me tell you something. That's two different things. Okay, and see how nice this thing flies, guys? Look at that. Look at that thing. Wow. It's so sweet. Look at that. That is so badass. So anyway, I'm going to check the battery level to see if it's not dropping like crazy. Oh no, it's still on the 4th bar. So the battery's in good. See, the thing about these DJI batteries, they really last, man. They do the perfect discharge on these things. So as long as you get in there and tap them with the every 3 months, as long as you get in there and hit them with the charger for a few minutes, they're not going to go into that super, you know, funk mode where you can't get them out of it, where they completely discharge too much. So just make sure every 3 months you go there and put the charger on them for a little bit, just to get them up out of that funk mode that they're going to go into. You know, I made that video how to revive these batteries, and it worked perfectly. I revived them. So, yeah, it's a great deal. All right, so this one's working really good. Oh, this thing is so nice, man. Oh, I tilted the camera up too. Now I know there's a way to spin the camera around, but I actually forgot how to do it. It's a button combination here where you can spin the camera around. I just forgot how to do it. Because, you know, when you have so many of these damn drones, you can't keep track of how to remember to do everything on all of them. But anyway, getting back to what I was saying that they are going to do, I think this, you know, see, I forgot what it's called. I forgot what it was called the other day. Where you can track your drones. It's coming up in September. To be honest, I can't remember the name of it. But I'm going to tell you what they're planning on doing, what I think. I think in another year, I think that 107, you're going to have a 107 to even fly a drone, even recreation. I think they're going to completely get rid of the recreation drone flying. And I think that's where the app and all this disabling of the drones and all that's going to come in. So it's going to be nice to know you can fly the drones without the app. So at least you can go out and fly them line of sight, right? So at least you're going to be able to do that at bare minimum. Okay, so this battery didn't lose anything as far as that goes. This battery's still in great shape. I mean, the thing about it is, you know, I don't need to go fly this thing very far and, you know, everybody knows what these things can do, you know. It's not no big secret, but I will tell you what, it's really nice having one of these. I love the hell out of this thing. Okay, so it's knacking up. Now, when I get done with this today, it's going to go get packed away in the control case, you know, or in the case. It's so nice, man. Wow. But I will tell you one thing about this, okay? You can really see this thing, believe it or not, from very far away. I had this thing up at Lake Donegal, and I'm pretty sure I was like 3,700 feet away and I could see it. And my eyes are bad, okay? I got 65-year-old eyes, okay? It's bad. It's nice, man. I just love the Inspire. It's nice. I don't care if it's not the Inspire 3. I don't care. This is good enough for me. Right? This is good enough for me. Oh, man. It's nice as heck, man. This is such a nice toy, okay? This is such a nice toy. And this thing's fast too. I mean, this thing will go pretty fast. No doubt. All right, let's bring it back and check the battery. See how that's doing. Well, why the reason we brought it out here, right? Okay, so yeah, that's great, man. It's still on the 4th bar. Well, anyway, so last year when I had it out, I was flying it with the Insta360 1X on top, and of course it didn't fly right. It almost crashed, actually. I don't think I ever even posted the video yet. But I found out, I think, what the problem that I was having using that Insta360 1X on these drones was that the Wi-Fi was turned on the Insta360. So I think that was causing a lot of issues with the radio signal with the transmitter and the drones. So I figured that out, and I haven't made another video yet, but I'm going to. As soon as I get moved and get over to the new parks. They got parks over there by where I'm moving to. So yeah, this thing is just wow. Guys, I can't even express. If you guys ever get a chance to get one of these, get it. Okay, I mean, I paid only $1,000 for it, and when I bought it, the battery was dead, which I was expecting that it was going to be dead. And then I was able to figure out how to revive it by watching that guy's YouTube video. Now, he screwed his battery up, right? But because he charged it too much with the hack, but I figured out exactly how far to charge it to revive the battery, and it worked out perfect. And then I had actually bought another battery before I even revived that one, and I think the new one I bought was no good, and I had to revive that one. So, you know, when you buy a drone that's 5 years old, okay, and it's been sitting in the box, and when I bought this, it said refurbished. It wasn't refurbished. It was brand new, okay? It had never been opened. You could tell. You could just tell that it had never been opened. You have to expect the battery to be bad, okay? So you have to take that into consideration. Even when I bought that Jamie thing, that little ladybug looking thing, I knew the battery was going to be no good, and that's why I had bought another battery. When I ordered that, I ordered a battery off Amazon. And of course, the battery was bad in there, and the Amazon one worked. So, but you can't, you know, you can't not anticipate a battery like that being bad. You have to realize that that's going to happen. So, just remember when you're buying kind of 5-6 year old drones with batteries in them that they're probably not going to be any good. So you have to accommodate for that. All right, guys, so we checked it. It's going to be good to go. I'm going to pack it away and, you know, bring it back out once I get over to the new parks. All right, guys, have a nice day.